Thinking about showing your graphics card the right way, but not sure which vertical mount is actually worth it? Let's rank the most popular options from weakest to best so you can avoid mistakes and pick the right one the first time. This is the weakest option on the list, and that's mainly because it's not a complete solution by itself. This product is just a metal bracket that holds your graphics card upright, and nothing more. It's meant to be paired with a separate cable and a case setup, so on its own, it can't actually give you a working vertical GPU build. The build quality itself is decent, it's made from solid metal, feels sturdy in the hand, and it even has a magnetic base that helps with positioning inside the case. For very simple or custom setups, that can be nice, but compared to the other products here, it's clearly basic and limited. The biggest drawback is that it doesn't include a riser cable, which is absolutely required to make a vertical GPU work. So that's an extra purchase, extra compatibility concerns, and extra effort. It also supports only thinner graphics cards, which is a problem in a world where most new cards are very thick and heavy. This one is really only for advanced builders who already have a cable and just need a basic bracket. For most people, it's not the easiest or smartest place to start, which is why it sits at the bottom of this ranking. That brings us to the next option, which at least handles the cable part properly. Links to all the products from this review at the best prices are in the description under the video. This one is the opposite of the first product. Instead of being just a bracket, this is just the riser cable. It's an important piece, but again, not a complete vertical GPU solution on its own. What this cable does well is speed and reliability. It supports modern graphics cards properly and uses a right-angle design that makes cable routing much easier inside tight cases. If you already have a bracket and just need a high-quality cable to connect your graphics card, this is actually a very solid option. But as a standalone product for vertical mounting, it's incomplete. You still need a bracket, proper mounting points in your case, and enough space for the card to sit vertically. So compared to full kits that give you everything in one box, this falls short in terms of convenience. This cable makes sense for experienced builders upgrading an existing setup, but beginners will find it frustrating because it doesn't solve the whole problem. That's why it ranks just above the basic bracket and below the full mounting kits. If this is helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future build guides and hardware rankings. This is the first product on the list that actually feels like a proper, complete vertical GPU solution. It includes both the bracket and the cable, and it's designed specifically to work well in certain NZXT cases. It looks great, feels very sturdy, and does a good job holding heavy graphics cards without sagging. If you're building a showcase PC and want the GPU to be front and center, this mount definitely helps create that clean, professional look. However, it has some downsides that hold it back. It requires a lot of space inside the case, and the fixed position means you don't have much flexibility in how the card sits. It also works best only in specific case models, which limits its usefulness for many builders. This one is best for people already using a compatible case, and who care a lot about looks. But if you want more flexibility and easier installation, the next option improves on that quite a bit. This is where things start to get really good. This mount not only includes the riser cable, but also lets you adjust the position of the graphics card without tools. That makes installation easier and gives you more freedom to fine-tune airflow and spacing. It's also more compatible with different case sizes compared to the previous option, making it a safer pick for most people. The materials feel solid, the mount feels stable, and the flexibility makes it much easier to work with during a build. The only real downsides are that it can be a tight fit in very small cases, and some users report that it takes a little patience to get everything aligned perfectly. Still, compared to the earlier options, it's far more versatile and beginner-friendly. If you want a strong mix of flexibility, compatibility, and build quality without going overboard, this is a very smart middle to high-end choice. But there's still one option that pushes things even further. This is the best overall vertical GPU mount on this list. It's the most future-ready, the most adjustable, and the most capable of handling the massive graphics cards that are common today. It supports the newest connection standard, allows for more precise positioning, and can handle thicker and heavier cards without struggling. That makes it ideal for high-end gaming or creator builds where performance, airflow, and appearance all matter. The only real downside is that it needs a larger case, and maybe more than what casual builders actually need. But if you want the best experience with the fewest compromises, this is clearly the top choice. For builders who want maximum flexibility, long-term compatibility, and a premium look, this is the vertical GPU mount to get. If you want the best performance and flexibility, check out the top products using the links in the description under the video. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more honest hardware rankings.